Hello there. What's going on, y'all? It's your boy JR, man. I'm back. It's been a minute since I talked to y'all, man, and I apologize once again. I know I have these apologies that come for days, man. I'm the sorry man. Just call me that. I'm the sorry man. I always leave and come back and leave and come back, but I promise. I know I said this before, but I promise I'm gonna keep these coming. It's been a while since I had time to be by myself to sit here and do a video with adequate light. I know my lady is always talking about the light and all that, but yeah, you can see my face, and hopefully it's not too bad looking because I'm kind of sick right now, so bear with me. But I was thinking about something I want to talk to y'all guys about, and it stops me. I know it stops me a lot from doing things that I want to do, and it's really playing my part. Being the right size. And in a world where we're taught to be inadequate about everything, everything that we do, everything that we think about, who we think we are, we're taught to play small. And I was thinking about a good concept for people who are going through the same thing. I always wake up with thoughts on my mind about, man, I want to do these great things. I want to have these great ideas. I want to accomplish this. I got 5-year goals. I got today goals. I got next year goals. But I always think about, really, who am I to think that I can achieve these things? Who do I think I am to think I can be whatever I want to be? And maybe you had these same kind of thoughts. But for me, what I thought about it is an interesting idea, right? I look at a lot of like motivational clips and a lot of thought leaders and a lot of speeches about self-esteem and empowerment and really getting down to the spirit of who we are and our purpose on this world and what we're here for. And a lot of our distortions come from society's views on us. Those are really our insecurities. The things you think about yourself that you don't like is just an idea that somebody else has that they put inside of you because they don't like a part of themselves. I mean, we all have these neuroses. We're all neurotic. That's what I'm trying to say. We all have these things that we think about ourselves that we don't like. And I know me. I love myself, and I like myself also. Sometimes I do things that I don't like, but generally I think I'm a cool guy. Like if I didn't know me, I would want to know me. I would like me. I would probably hug me too. But yeah, so playing our part, staying our size, staying small is something that we're taught to do. But honestly, we're all giants, man. We're all huge. And I say that because just look at people before us. Look at people before us. Look at these amazing Nobel Prize winners, these amazing people, artists, or whoever we look up to who do these amazing things. These are regular people, but they acknowledge who they are. They acknowledge their real size. And the truth is that we're this casing, this 5'9", brown skin, chubby face casing. I'm all swollen. Forgive me again because I'm sick. But this outer shell, man, is nothing but a shell. Who I am is really inside of me. And I think those people who are successful acknowledge that also. They acknowledge that this is just a shell. Who I am is the beaten life inside of this shell. So if I see myself with a six-pack, I see myself with a fancy house, I see myself in a good neighborhood, I see myself being educated, I can literally transform this shell and my environment to match who I know I am inside of all of these things. And I mean, it's not impossible. I hate that word because people have done it. People are going to continue to do it. Somebody's doing it right now. Somebody's making their life the way they see it inside of their mind's eye, inside of their soul. Their perception is nothing about what they see in the reality. Their perception comes from who they believe they are and the way they want to see the world work around them. So I want to tell y'all, man, play the right size. And the right size is big. We're all big. No matter what our physical bodies look like, no matter what kind of shape we're in, whatever you envision yourself and your life to be, it will be. It will be. If you make it that way, if you stay prayed up, if you keep working, If you keep working toward that vision you see, it will be what you want it to be. As a quick video, I was just thinking that thought, wanted to get out there. Like I said, man, forgive the voice, forgive the way I look right now. I'm trying to sweat this cold out. But yeah, man, play your part, play your size, stay the right size, stay big, stay hungry, stay dreaming, go get it. Till next time, y'all, love yourself, love life, live it like you love. All right? Peace.